Specialty healthcare is something we're all pretty familiar with when it comes to our personal health. But did you know the same level of care is available for our pets? That's right. When faced with an emergency, chronic health issue, or a complicated diagnosis, our beloved companions sometimes need specialty or emergency care that requires more than what our primary care veterinarian can offer.
Most people are very familiar with what a primary care veterinarian provides. They take their pet for their vaccines, maybe their heartworm preventative, routine surgeries. But what many people don't know is that there's specialty veterinary health care available for their pet. It's very similar to human health care, where you can get advanced treatment for things like cancer. You can have your pet see a veterinary oncologist and get chemotherapy or radiation therapy and potentially have a great outcome and a longer life. There's advanced surgical procedures. You might see an orthopedic surgeon for a total hip, or a cardiologist for a pacemaker, or an ophthalmologist for cataract surgery. So all those things that we think of for ourselves are also available for our pets.
A generation ago, this type of specialty care wasn't as easily accessible as it is today. Now we have access to veterinary specialists in everything from neurology, oncology, and critical care to cardiology, ophthalmology, dermatology, and more.
There's a great increase in the amount of specialty emergency hospitals across the country because there's increasing demand from the general population. People today, myself included, really see our pets as a valued family member. And because of that, we want the best health care available for them. Now, 20 years ago, it would be pretty hard to find a cardiologist in most major metropolitan areas. But today, it's become much more available. To really provide the best care for an individual pet, what it takes is a great partnership between a primary care veterinarian and a specialist. It really needs to be a collaborative healthcare team so that the needs can best be met of both the patient and the client. And that is definitely served the best by a team leveraging their strengths.
My job as the primary care veterinarian is to provide my clients with all of their options. And part of that is specialty medicine and referring to a specialist. Some of my patients present with things that are either very critical or require more specialized diagnostic testing and specialized treatments. And so having a facility to refer to with their specialty medicine is fantastic and allows me to keep my patients healthier in the long run.
At the forefront of this movement is MedVet, a growing family of emergency and specialty hospitals throughout the Midwest and South. Here, specialists partner with primary care veterinarians to develop a custom comprehensive plan, no matter how complex the diagnosis, for each patient. MedVet's cutting-edge technologies and therapies, coupled with a caring team of experts, sets the bar high for the veterinary emergency and specialty industry.
MedVet's culture is really built on our foundational core values, which are teamwork, leadership, and compassion, TLC, which obviously is very important in our profession. Teamwork for us means a group of doctors, the healthcare team staff, the nurses, technicians, and our support teams like operations and IT to provide the best technology, working together to ensure we can deliver exceptional care for each patient. We intend to lead the industry not only in our service and our care, but also in advancing the profession through things like clinical trials. Having the best technology, making sure that we're the place where no rock is left unturned in helping that individual pet. Then our third core value is compassion. That's a pretty easy one for us because most people that are attracted to veterinary medicine, and MedVet in particular, are very compassionate. And the most natural compassion comes for the patient. Every day, with each patient, each client, and each referring veterinarian our team interfaces with, what we're striving to do is achieve our mission, which is leading specialty healthcare for pets.
You're a good girl.